I know we all have been in a situation where we shoot something in the dark and it becomes unusable because of the noise in the video. Sure, we can fix it using the paid version of Davinci Resolve, but the results are still not very perfect. So let me show you a tool with which you can fix this. So the tool is called AIRTY. So this tool not only has a video denoise, you can also upscale your video. So if you have your old 720p footage lying around, you can upscale it to 4K and have that amazing 4K clarity for your old videos. And it also has other features like audio denoise, slow motion and other settings. So there's an example shown in the website, like if you shot something and it's not in slow motion, you can convert it to slow motion using this tool. Kind of works like optical flow on Davinci Resolve, but a bit more smooth because it uses AI. Then you also have the audio enhancer. So suppose your microphone is not clear, you can play with these settings. So it can get rid of the environment noise and it can get rid of the wind noise, and also it can improve your audio. And it has some basic color correction tool as well, so you can adjust the white balance, the saturation and all other things. Now there are 3 distinct AI models, and which one to use, it's perfectly up to you. And you can see the upscale right here. This tool you can upscale it to 4 times, and the second one also you can upscale to 4 times, but this one you can upscale to 2 times. But this is the best AI model right here, but it's a bit heavy on your computer, so use it only if you really need it. But my personal favorite is this Smooth HQ V3. It has a really amazing denoise setting. So this is the tool right here. If you want to import a video, you can click here and you can choose a video that you want to denoise. And I have imported this video right here, which I showed you in the beginning, and it will automatically show you a preview how it will change. So if I zoom in, you can see that there is a lot of noise here, and if I drag this, you can see how much of the noise it just got rid of. And it also sharpens your image a little more. So it's a really powerful tool. And if you don't want to view this way, you also have the split window right here. What it does is, on the left you have the before and on the left you have the after. If you zoom in, you can perfectly see the difference right here. Now you can choose the AI model right here. As I told you, there are 3 AI models. So you can choose the Super Video HQ. This is the most powerful one, but I've set it to this one right here. And if you want to know which one to use, there is this question mark right here. It will show you for each specific video which one to use and which will have a better result. But in this case, I've used this one. And the hardware you can use for rendering. For Mac, it will always be CPU and GPU. If you have an external hardware, you can select that one right here. And upscale, if you want to upscale, you can choose ×2, and all these are available. And you can also increase the strength right here. And here I'm not going to choose anything of edit and color. And frame interpolation is the one that I told you about, slow motion, so which I will show you in another example. Then if you have an audio which you want to fix, you can enable this one, and you can choose the AI models right here. But I don't have any audio here, so I'm going to leave that off. And then under export, you can choose where you want to export. So I'm going to choose MP4 H.264, and the audio, there is no audio, but still I'm going to leave it at AAC. And then you just press export current and the render will start. So that's how the process normally is. Let me show you another example right here, how much of a noise it really fixes. You can see the noise level, how much of a noise you had in this video. So just like that, in the preview, it really shows the difference. So this was something of a night shot, so there is a couple hell of noise. If you see like this, it's not very visible, but it's only if you zoom in, you can see how much of a work this tool is really doing. In this video also, it's the same thing. You can see the difference, how much it has fixed. Really clean, and you can see the difference in the eyes right here, how much it is sharpening the image. And let me show you a slow motion example which I did. So in the slow motion, I have enabled frame interpolation and selected slow motion. I have reduced it to half speed. I don't have a powerful camera to create that ultra slow motion. I've enabled this one, and you can see the difference. So you can click the link down in the description to check out AIRTY, and you can try it out for free for some days, and then only if you're interested you can go to the premium, and I'm sure you will. So that's pretty much it for this video. For those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.